Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about switch activity. Switch activity is a branching activity which will execute any one block of activities out of the multiple defined block. Which block will be executed will depend on input to switch activity. One of the branching activity we discussed earlier was if activity. If activity was capable to branch flow of execution in two different directions. But by using switch activity, we have option to redirect flow of execution in multiple direction. To demonstrate about this, I'll create a blank project. I'll name it as switch demo. I'll add some description. Here to demonstrate about switch activity, I am considering a scenario that one passenger travels to a railway station where based on his destination he wants to find out information regarding platform so that he can find his train. For this I'll take a sequence and create a new workflow. I'll name it as switch demo. I'll add some description in form of annotation. Platform helper using switch activity. Now I'll take some input from the user. We want information regarding his destination. Here in title I'll specify platform helper. Here in label I'll enter please choose your destination. I'll display option to him, but I want line break between option and this message I have provided, so I'll use environment dot new line, then my first option 1 Pune, then environment dot new line, then second option 2 Delhi. Like this I want to provide 4 to 5 option, so I'll copy this. 3 I'll provide option Chennai. 4 I'll provide option for Patna. 5 I'll provide option Mumbai. I'll create a variable to capture result of this input dialog box. I'll create a variable destination. It will be of integer type. Now I'll capture result of input dialog box. Now I'll take a switch activity. Here in expression, I'll specify destination. Here one important point to remember is that data type of our variable destination is integer and type argument of switch is also integer as it is default type argument. But in case our variable type is different, like if it is a string, then we need to change type argument over here to string. Now coming back to switch activity, here as we have provided list of destination to user, but in case he choose any other destination that is not there in that list, for that we have option to define a default activity. In case of default activity, I'll add one message over here. I'll provide message, this is invalid destination. Now I'll add information for all other case. One, I'll add information regarding platform. Please visit platform number 8. I'll add one more case, 2. I'll add some message, please visit platform number 2. Another case, 3. I'll provide message, please visit platform number 12. One more case, 4. Please visit platform number 1. One more case, 5. Please visit platform number 9. Now this workflow is complete. I'll execute this. So we will choose our destination. I'll provide one input, 3. So I'm getting one message, please visit platform number 12. I'll execute again. This time I'll choose 4. I'm getting message, please visit platform number 1. I will execute again.